Hi and welcome. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install Raven and get started with your account. By the end of the video, you will be all set and ready to go. So let's dive in. Alright, first of all, navigate to our website. Go to the top right corner and click on Start Free. Sign up with your email, choose your data location, and tell us your name. Accept the terms and conditions and sign up. And click on the download button. Click Open in Rhino. You will land in the package manager. Press Install, install Raven and apply. Now quit Rhino. Reopen Rhino again. Open Grasshopper. And now you should see the Raven icon in your bottom right corner. Log in with your credentials and you're ready to go. Now let the Raven fly.